Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand about a problem which we are facing. I suppose I want to play this video. Then I am facing a issue that file system error. It is showing that a file system error 2147416359. Why this error is showing? So it means there is a window license agreement which was disabled. So we need to enable that window license agreement, then it will work. So go to the services, you click on services, services, run as administrator. Now find window license manager, window license manager. Where is that? Here, window license manager services. Double click on it, then we can see start of type disabled, so we need to make it manual. Now click on apply and OK. Now after this step you need to restart your PC, then it will work. So firstly we need to restart our PC. Now we can see uh, this video is going to play. Yes, now we can see video is working. So our issue is resolved. Thank you.